Hi, welcome to the first episode of our talk show, Sab Chalta Hai But Why. Today, our guest is Mrs. Ashita Mehta, who is the Central Administrative Officer of Discovery Land chain of preschools based in Ahmedabad. So, ma'am is handling currently 8 preschools, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right. So, ma'am has a, very different background. You have a background in education, you have done quite a bit of marketing, right?
Yeah,
And ultimately, at this time in your career, you have gone back to the education field from where you started, right?
correct.
Right. Because when I was going through your profile, I saw that there has been a lot of educational background. So, your mom was a principal, right?
Right.
And even your elder sister turned out to be a principal, or I think a vice principal, right?
Correct.
So how was it at your home? Is it like ऐसा था कि बिकॉज घर पे मम्मी प्रिंसिपल हैं सो उसी तरीके के वैल्यूज़ मिल रहे हैं, एजुकेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जा रहा है? हाउ वाज इट लाइक?
Well, if I talk about my family, तो we are three sisters. And
ओके,
शुरू से पापा मम्मी को कहा गया था, I'm talking about way 50 years back,
ओके,
right? So it was like you are having three daughters, तो बेटर है कि आप इंग्लिश मीडियम में ना पढ़ा के गुजराती मीडियम में ही पढ़ाओ.
ओह,
आप कैसे एक्सपेंस बेयर कर पाओगे? And I still remember my parents' one line that whatever we can give to our daughters is education.
ट्रू,
And still, that actually touched my heart.
ओके,
And from that moment, education matters a lot to me. And after the birth of third child to my parents, that is my younger sister, then my mom thought that she has to support my dad. And then she started her B.Ed after
ओके,
delivering the third baby.
ओह,
And everything we witnessed in front of our eyes, we saw how education mattered a lot.
ओके,
And हम जो सिटी में रह रहे थे वहाँ पे बीएड एजुकेशन की फैसिलिटी नहीं थी.
कौन सा शहर था
It
ये?
was Valsad.
अच्छा, इट वाज
Valsad, yeah,
वलसाड,
Valsad.
ओके,
I was brought up, and my schooling was also from Valsad, only from convent school.
ओके,
And then my sister, younger sister, was there. So my mom said that I want to support you, my father. So he said, it's okay, I'm with you. You can
योर
start
फादर
your
वाज अ
BA.
गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट?
Yeah,
या,
he was working with Bank of Baroda.
ओके,
He was into banking field.
हाँ,
So then she started her B.Ed after delivering the third child,
ओके,
and she used to catch morning train. She did B.Ed in Bilimora, and by evening 7 she used to come back.
ओके,
आने के बाद she used to cook because हम भी बहुत छोटे थे.
हाँ,
So we just saw the struggle of our parents, and then she took job as a teacher.
ओके,
From teacher she was promoted to supervisor. Then she was promoted to vice principal. Then she was promoted to principal.
ओके,
So ये सारा ग्राफ मेरी नज़रों के सामने I have seen that.
ओके,
And mummy used to do a lot of tuitions, and I was supporting my mom in conducting few tuitions. I was a helping hand to her.
ओके,
And this is how I saw that if you teach a child and the concept is clear, the level of satisfaction the child is having on his or her face, they are pretty confident to face the exam paper.
ओके,
Again, I'm talking about long back, maybe before 3 decades, where
ओके।
exam concept was very different than what it is right now.
सो हम 1990s की बात कर रहे हैं?
Yes,
ओके,
yes, yes. To
ओके,
be precise, yes, we are talking
या,
about that particular period.
हाँ,
So मम्मी को मैं हेल्प कराती थी. Papers आते थे. I used to see how mommy was checking the papers, how marking was given. So ये सब कुछ देख के ही I have grown up, and this was my family background, family culture, environment. Then mom used to say today was Teachers Day. Student used to they used to just honor mama by saying some speech. छोटे छोटे
ओके,
gifts लेके आते थे. And the way mom was expressing, it was very clearly seen that children give love which is unconditional.
ओके,
And many people say that teacher's job is thankless. No, I would like to correct this. Teacher's job is priceless.
या, होल्ड दैट थॉट, आई एक्चुअली हैव समथिंग that will touch
Okay.
there.
Okay. Okay.
Going ahead, yeah. So that is how you got into teaching. So it was
Yeah.
more of a necessity at that time, like your mom got into it and then you got into it
Yeah. Correct.
going ahead in
Correct. Correct.
future.
Yes.
But you
Exactly.
developed a love for teaching at that time, वहाँ से.
Exactly. And after my graduation, I pursued business management course. And luckily, I stood first in that. I'm a gold medalist in that. And so that particular institute only offered me subjects to take to teach.
Okay.
So here I
What
begin
college
my
was that?
journey. It
What?
was Naranlal Institute of Management Studies.
Where is it?
It is in Navsari.
Acha, it's in Navsari.
Yeah, so
Okay.
so this was my stepping stone of my
Mhm.
journey in entering into education field as a
You
faculty.
love teaching.
I love teaching. I love
Yeah.
teaching. But I
I've seen that
started.
firsthand. I've
Yeah.
seen that firsthand. All right. So, there is one more thing that caught my attention in your profile.
Yeah.
So, you were a child artist in these two famous shows, Ramayan and Krishna, Uttar Ramayan and Krishna.
Yes. Yes.
How did you come across that? कहाँ से, मतलब आप तो एक छोटे टाउन में रहते थे,
Correct. Correct.
नवसारी, वलसाड़ आज
Correct.
भी कोई बहुत बड़े टाउन्स नहीं हैं. अगर आप मुंबई हों या कोई ऐसे शहर में हों तो इट्स स्टिल पॉसिबल टू गेट सम
True.
काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सपोजर.
True.
सो नवसारी, वलसाड़ में रहकर हाउ डिड यू बिकम अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट?
The shooting of Uttar Ramayan was actually done in Umargaon. Umargaon,
Yes.
yeah, it's
It's
the
between
same
Mumbai
belt.
and yes,
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 exactly.
yes,
Because
exactly.
वहाँ पे बीच था तो पूरा स्टूडियो उन्होंने वहाँ पे क्रिएट किया था.
Right.
And they used to call artist for dance performance in Uttar Ramayan serial.
Mhm.
And I was basically into dancing also.
Mhm.
So the group, my mentor who taught me dancing, so she just had a word कि भाई हमें ऐसे उमरगाम जाना है. It was just हमें backstage सिर्फ perform करना था.
Okay.
We were not into limelight any such. So हमें as a troupe we were supposed to go.
Okay.
So I was very excited. I was in 9th standard during that time.
Mhm.
So I just talked to my father, and my father and mother, they have never set boundaries for us.
अच्छा, they didn't say कि
No, no, they always give a
नहीं
free
जाना
hand to
है,
no, never,
focus on
never.
the studies,
Never,
10th
never.
boards are
Never.
coming up, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था?
No, never, never,
Okay.
never. So they gave a free hand to me.
Hmm.
I, my younger sister, my elder sister, we three of them went along with a group of 40 to 45 girls.
Okay.
So we went there, and for the first time I saw all the glamour world which we never thought of, which we only witnessed on the small screen. So I met Ramanand Sagarji, I met Deepika Chikhalia who played the role of Sita.
Wow.
Yeah, I met everyone, and and when we became friendly, I and Deepika ma'am, we used to play badminton
Wow.
on the beach actually.
Okay.
And it was a very beautiful phase also for me.
Mhm.
So we were just sitting, we were waiting for our shot to be done, and the shot was very simple. They were asking us that walk, so सिर्फ पीछे से हमें walking करना था.
अच्छा.
राइट वॉकिंग करना था. और एक कुछ पूरा जो फॉरेस्ट का उन्होंने वन का जो बनाया था सेट, उस पर एक छोटा सा डांस परफॉर्मेंस था हमारा.
Okay.
सो हम ऐसे ही बैठे थे, एंड देयर वाज अ रोल विच वाज टू बी गिवन टू सीताज फ्रेंड नेम चंद्रिका, जिसका रोल मैंने प्ले किया था
Wow.
उत्तर रामायण.
Okay.
सो एक स्क्रिप्ट था. सो रामानंद सागर जी वाज नॉट इन मूड ऑन दैट डे. He was rejecting something or the other thing. I was just standing in group and I was just observing because I was very excited to see everything.
Okay.
And something that discussed in between, and he just did like this. And I was like looking that whom he's calling.
अच्छा.
So
He was pointing to you.
yeah, he was pointing. We were always standing in the group. So he just did like this. So Yogi ji karke the, who was producer over there. So he just called me that Ramanand ji wants to meet you. So I just went there and he said ki ye padho script.
Okay.
So I was okay because I took part in debates also. I took part in dramatics also during the school. So I was like, okay, fine. So script दिया, and वो automatic वो मेरी pitch ऊपर नीचे voice modulation के साथ I said. So he said, okay, fine, give her the shot.
Okay.
So this was my screening. And he himself took the screening.
Okay.
And there I landed with a small role, which actually was for 3 episodes.
Nice.
And I made my place over there.
Okay.
That when they started Krishna serial, they gave a call to me that are you
Wow.
interested for Krishna serial. उसमें मैंने 1 या 2 एपिसोड किए थे.
हाँ.
But yes, during that time I was in 10th standard. So my school objected.
So education, okay. So
So
school
here-
objected.
Yeah, so
They didn't realize
so
that you
during
were
that
doing
time-
something, you would be coming on TV or something of that sort.
they were very happy. They gave me award also.
अच्छा.
They honored me. They felicitated
तो
my
अवार्ड दे दिया, सब कर
participation.
दिया, बट फिर एक
हाँ.
ऑब्स्टेकल भी डाल दिया कि तुम
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं बोर्ड में थी, राइट. सो
Okay.
बोर्ड्स ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम द सिनेरियो वाज वेरी डिफरेंट सर. हमारे टाइम का बोर्ड और इस टाइम का बोर्ड में में बहुत फर्क है.
Right.
And yeah, even we were also not that much aware of the education world. We were also under that pressure that yes, boards, so you know you have to focus only on studies, you stop all your activities, and it's just studies.
Right.
Attendance
We
was
we face the
mandatory.
same thing. आप कौन से साल की बात कर रहे हैं? This is what year?
This I'll tell you, it is 1993, 1991,
93.
1992. Yeah.
Okay. So I think 10 years later, 10 12 years later हमने बोर्ड्स में अपीयर किया. So of course बोर्ड्स को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के
बहुत.
that it is a matter of life and death.
एग्जैक्टली. सो अगर प्रेशर नहीं भी लेना है ना तो भी आ जाता था कि हाँ, वी आर इन बोर्ड्स एंड
Yes.
अटेंडेंस वाज मैंडेटरी. 100% अटेंडेंस वाज
Okay,
मैंडेटरी.
so they did not make any exceptions for someone who was doing exceptionally well in some other field.
Yeah, they left the decision on me, but
Okay.
then with no choice.
अच्छा.
So I have to understand कि okay fine. Then parents also said कि it's okay, focus on studies first.
Okay.
So we thought कि चलो एक शौक था पूरा कर लिया. I was picturized in the mythological series which was at the peak during that time.
Of course.
And I took that experience also. I was happy. I said okay fine, one chapter is over. Now
तो
come back
कॉलेज
to
में जाने
studies.
के बाद आपने दोबारा नहीं सोचा
नहीं, then
कि
I never
maybe let
switched
me
to.
explore that thing again.
No, then sir, career goals changes, right?
Career.
वो change होता रहता है. So
You could have made a career of that as well.
yeah. Of course, I could have definitely. I can
We-
make right now also. It's not
We would have been sitting in front of an actress, right?
because I always believe once a teacher, always a teacher. Once a actor, always actor, right?
Wow. Okay. All right.
हाँ जी.
So, ma'am, let's come to the core topic
Yeah.
that is there. So, education. So, मेरा मानना है कि दो ही चीज़ें हैं जिसमें पेरेंट्स हमेशा आंख बंद करके पैसे लगा देते हैं, वॉट एवर इट इज़.
Right.
एक एजुकेशन है, राइट, बिकॉज वी वांट द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर चाइल्ड, यू नो.
True.
हम ऐसा नहीं सोचते, मतलब इट इज़ समथिंग जिसमें एकदम इमीडिएट रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलते, बट फ्यूचर का 15-20 साल आगे का सोच के द काइंड ऑफ कंपटीशन एंड द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ दैट इज़ देयर इन इंडिया, हम यही सोचते हैं कि वी वांट आवर चिल्ड्रन टू हैव द बेस्ट एजुकेशन. सो at every point in that journey we always invest more, जितना हम शायद अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं उससे ज़्यादा, एंड दैट इज़ ट्रू आई थिंक ऑफ एवरी पेरेंट, राइट. So my parents also did the same. So there was once upon a time I used to live in a chawl, but my parents always made education a priority. I always studied amongst the the best of the students in the best of the schools, and they fought for me for my admissions when it was like not possible. Let's say I was rejected due to some XYZ reason, but still they fought. And I have never seen people who have been so reticent, people who have been जो बहुत डरे डरे रहते हैं, ऐसे लोग जाकर एक स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल से बात करके अपने बच्चे के एडमिशन के लिए बात करें. सो दैट इज़ वन. द सेकेंड वन इज़ हेल्थ,
Okay.
राइट. सो मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ कि जब हेल्थ की बात आती है तो हम आंख बंद करके जो भी एक डॉक्टर बोलता है, whoever says anything, we pay. Now the question relating it to the our जो शो का नाम है सब चलता है बट वाई, we feel the system overall takes advantage of gullible parents in both the scenarios, health may be, education may be. So the reason we are talking about education here, right? So education तो एक ऐसी चिड़िया है ना, मतलब आप बहुत दूर से ही देखते रहते हो. So हेल्थ में तो क्या है, चलो मैंने आज कुछ पैसे खर्च किए, सो माई चाइल्ड गेट्स क्योर्ड टुडे और समथिंग, तो उसमें रिजल्ट्स दिख जाते हैं तुरंत. एजुकेशन ऐसा है कि आपको दिखाया ही जा रहा है. सो देर आर सम ईयर्स दैट कि आपको 15 साल बाद 20 साल बाद एक दिखेगा रिजल्ट. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी डू, राइट.
Correct.
What do you have to say on that? So हमें ऐसा लगता है, do you also believe that gullible parents are being taken advantage of? In general, I'll talk on the specifics, but I'm asking in general, do you feel that way, being in education industry for like now 30 years? Yeah.
So first of all, I would like to just bring one particular line which you said about education and medicine, right? Medicine is such thing that parents can see the results, get the results because antibiotics are given. All right. So immediately you can see the improvement in the health. Parents don't allow nowadays school to give antibiotics to children, right?
Yeah.
So we cannot start with that dose.
Okay.
And that is the reason why parents see the results at the end of the year.
Hmm.
So a lot of patience should be there in parents. And talking about taking advantage of the parents who are not having enough of knowledge of this thing, I would like to say something regarding parents' choice of school. If they are getting confused where we should go, where we should not go, they do not have any clarity about it. So peer pressure, they will force you that what other kids are doing,
Right.
right?
Hmm.
But sanity starts from what your child needs.
Okay.
Correct? You should focus on the needs of your own child. Your child is looking for which kind of environment.
Mhm.
Is your child shy or is your child having high energy? Right? You should always visit the schools, which is always my fundamental of my thought process.
Hmm.
And whenever parents step in the school, sir, they get vibes. It's very natural thing,
Hmm.
right? What is the need of your child if we talk about?
Hmm.
So the entire game is of 3C, that is care, curriculum, and culture.
Okay.
Care, the child is taken care of.
Hmm.
You can just by talking with the principal or the admin or
Hmm.
whosoever is doing the counseling,
Hmm.
you can just start with that how they deal with the toddlers, how they deal with the age group which they are looking for. Maybe
Okay.
they are looking for 3 years
Hmm.
or 4 years. If we talk about a preschooling over here,
Hmm.
about the
Hmm.
admissions,
Hmm.
the
No, ma'am,
loud.
so we will get on those specifics.
Hmm.
I just wanted a general idea on that. But anyway, so there is one more thing that we wanted to know.
Hmm.
Okay, so the National Education Policy
Yes.
2020 that came into being. So जब हम पढ़ा करते थे स्कूल में
Hmm.
तो it was 10+2, that was the
Yes.
primary वो.
Yes.
तो मतलब बहुत कम बच्चे थे जो नर्सरी जाया करते थे. नर्सरी वॉज नॉट कंसिडर्ड एनीथिंग.
Anything. It was
Right.
direct LKG and
हाँ मतलब
UKG.
ठीक है. तो जूनियर केजी, सीनियर केजी एंड देन आप क्लास 1 to 10 करते हो. जैसे कि
Correct.
हमने बात की क्लास 8
Correct.
से 7 से आपको डराया जाता था.
Correct.
Boards
Correct.
are coming.
Correct.
And 10th के marks is something that is of relevance. मैंने MBA किया, so 10th के marks were given some weightage. 12th के marks were given some weightage. What is the scenario now? So for new parents like me,
Hmm.
what is it like? हमने सुना है कि अब boards बीच में introduce हो गए हैं. There is much more stepwise. So how is it? What is it? Can you just take us through it? There
Yeah.
is something called now 5+3+3+4
Yes,
model.
yes,
What
yes,
is that
yes.
exactly?
So during our time, what we have, the initial policy before the introduction of NEPC 2020, it was 10+2. Very
Right.
clear concept, right?
हाँ.
In which it was 10 standard plus 2, that was 11th and 12th, and then सीधा अपना start हो जाता था college, right?
Right.
And when it comes to +2, it
Hmm.
was either you go for art or you go for science or you go for commerce.
Correct.
Only 3 options were given to the students, nothing else.
Right.
Right?
Hmm.
Now, after introduction of NEPC, the module has changed,
Hmm.
which we called it as 5+3+3+4.
Okay.
So 5, it begins from 3, age of 3, age of 4, age of 5, age of 6, age of 7. That includes your nursery, junior, senior. Now, as per government norms, it is junior, senior, and Balvatika.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, all
Hmm.
the preschools
Hmm.
which are registered,
Hmm.
now they are part of main schooling only.
Okay. So preschools
Yes.
are no longer
Yes,
considered
they are
just
they
like,
are under the
okay.
wings of government norms.
Wow.
So
I think that's something good.
yeah, it
Yeah.
has recently it has
Yes.
started.
Okay.
So which we called nursery, now it is junior KG as per government norms. What we call junior KG is now senior KG,
Hmm.
and what we used to call senior KG is now Balvatika.
Wow.
Yes, so it is official schooling only now.
Hmm.
And first and second standard, that are 5 years.
Okay.
So
So is
junior,
there an
senior,
age
Balvatika,
criteria? Is there an age criteria?
3
आप
years.
नर्सरी में कब जा सकते हो?
It is 3 years, sir.
You have to complete 3
Child
years
has to
before
complete 3 years before 31st
commencement
May.
of school.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. So that is 3 years. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hmm.
Right? These are 5 years which we call as foundation years.
Okay.
That is preschool.
So ये 5+3+3+4
So till
model में
second
this
standard,
is 5.
till second standard it is 5 years.
Okay.
Plus 3, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard.
Okay.
Right? This is your preparatory years.
अच्छा.
Foundation is 5,
Hmm.
preparatory is 3,
Hmm.
plus 3 comes the middle years,
Okay.
6, 7, 8,
Okay.
and the last is 4 years,
Okay.
right? That is 9, 10, 11, 12.
अच्छा.
So this is how 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 is divided, which was not divided. It was simple 10 plus 2.
Acha, okay. So, how is testing done? Is there a testing done at each stage?
Sir, nowadays it is not testing, which
Hmm.
we used to have typical exams before
Hmm.
the NEPC introduction
Hmm.
or implementation.
Hmm.
Exams were there.
Hmm.
Either you pass or you fail,
Hmm.
right? And
Hmm.
it was repetition of the year. Second
Hmm.
chance nahi milta tha kisi ko.
Okay.
Correct? Everything has been changed.
Okay.
Earlier it was what to study.
Hmm.
Now it is how to study, how to learn, and how you can implement what you have learned in your practical life.
Okay.
So conceptual learning is given more weightage rather than rote learning or
Okay.
mugging or bookish knowledge.
Okay.
It was read, write, and vomit,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah,
Earlier.
yeah.
Now the concept has changed, sir.
Okay.
And assessment is definitely done. It's not that assessment nahi hota hai. Assessment har step pe hota hai. But assessment again is not with lot of pressure or torture. Correct? Now skill based learning is given more weightage. If you talk about foundation years, which we call it as the stepping stone of a child in a school, which we call it as a preschool, that is junior, senior, and balvatika, right? And first and second standard. In that, there is nothing like writing or book or learning. It is everything is play based method. इट इज़ ऑल एक्टिविटी बेस्ड मेथड जिसमें उनको आउटडोर ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर वो लोग देते हैं.
Okay.
In the sense they are taught each and every subjects in a practical way, right?
Okay.
When we talk about second stage, that is preparatory years, that
But
is
ma'am, when sorry to interrupt, but जब आप you're talking about the way to be taught, isn't that more school specific? कि स्कूल उसको कैसे देख रहा है? बिकॉज विच एवर इज़ द गवर्नमेंट बॉडी जो डिफाइन कर रही है वो तो सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स एक तरीके से डाल देती है कि दिस इज व्हाट नीड्स टू बी टॉट टिल दिस ईयर, but how it is taught
Yeah, I agree.
is basically on the school, right?
I agree, definitely. But what is to be taught and how it is taught, वो गाइडलाइन ऑलरेडी गवर्नमेंट ने दे दी है, विच आई एम
अच्छा.
टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट प्ले वे मैथड,
अच्छा.
राइट? इन दैट प्ले वे मैथड आप सैंड यूज कर रहे हो, आप बीड्स यूज कर रहे हो, आप लीव्स प्लग करवा रहे हो इन काउंटिंग. इट्स टोटली ऑन स्कूल. एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट इज ऑन स्कूल, बट द गाइडलाइंस आर गिवन ऑलरेडी बाय द गवर्नमेंट. दैट इज NEPC.
राइट. सो गवर्नमेंट इतना ग्रैन्युलरली जाके गवर्नमेंट ने डिफाइन किया है चीज़ों को, दैट दिस इज द वे दे वांट थिंग्स टू
Yes,
हैपन.
they want things. They have realized that building to just construct a building after 12th standard and giving a lot of pressure on child, it is better that थोड़ा foundation लेकर फिर first floor build up करे, second floor build up करे और धीरे धीरे building बनाए.
सो आप ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि जो कॉलोनियल एरा में जो ब्रिटिश ने क्रिएट किया था
Yes.
सिस्टम, हम जो बहुत ही इनफेमस है कि हम लोग इंडिया में सिर्फ क्लर्क्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं,
ऐसा नहीं है.
वो ऐसा मतलब नाउ दैट इज चेंजिंग,
That
दैट
is
इज व्हाट यू मीन
changing.
टू से.
That is changing. That is changing.
Okay.
Nowadays, sir, it's not that a science student cannot take history or art student cannot switch the subjects. Now the entire selection of subjects has also changed drastically.
Okay.
Secondly, vocational learning is given more weightage.
Okay.
Vocational learning in the sense that how to wire a particular things. So project based. हमारे टाइम पे क्या होता था कि वी यूज टू जस्ट दे गिव द टॉपिक, यू लर्न दैट टॉपिक, यू मेमोराइज द टॉपिक एंड यू जस्ट राइट इट डाउन ऑन द पेपर, राइट? नाउ topic is given, concept is taught, you can pen down the answer in your own words.
Okay.
So entire thing is conceptual based now.
Okay.
It's simple as that.
All right. So, being more specific, when I was asking you about assessment, I meant to say कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स क्या अब हर स्टेज पे होते हैं, ऐसा हो गया है?
सर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हर स्टेज पे होता है ऐसा नहीं है, राइट? बोर्ड एग्जाम्स तो अभी भी द वे इट वाज ऐसे ही हो रहे हैं,
Okay.
बट before the board exams was, as I said, that they were not given the second chance.
Okay.
Right? Now they can reappear twice in a year to clear their boards.
Okay.
This
Class
thing
10
has
and class
changed.
12
Yes,
boards.
this thing
Okay.
has changed. And yes, down the line in coming more 5 years, still this policy will change, sir. This will change.
Okay. How soon in this system, can a child choose what he wants to learn?
To be very honest, after the child clears third standard or fourth standard, right? Child start getting a clear vision where he or she has interest of subject, which interest of subject the child is having.
Okay.
Because as I said, everything is hands-on learning.
Mm-hmm.
All right, till second standard, there is no burden of books or anything. Till this period, teacher also does assessment that child is interested in numeracy, right? Counting फटाफट कर लेता है. He is thorough in math, or a child is more into literacy. Communication is good. So they create a lot of platforms to, actually, we cannot say to judge a child. Nobody can judge a child, right? But to just identify the interest which child is inclined to.
ओके, सो आप
So,
बोल रहे हो कि मतलब उसको ये ऑप्शन मिलता है या मिल सकता है कि वो कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ना चाहता है,
yes,
जो हमें
sir.
क्लास 12 के बाद मिलता था,
क्लास
दैट वे?
12 से पहले हमें मिलता था, लाइक
राइट,
हाँ, बट
10th में हमें
हाँ,
10th के
नाउ
बाद मिलता
नाउ
था.
नाउ चाइल्ड इज हैविंग अ फ्री विल टू चूज द सब्जेक्ट्स,
ओके.
राइट? स्ट्रीम्स आर नॉट डिफाइंड नाउ, आर्ट, साइंस, कॉमर्स या फिर लॉ, आपको इतना ही लेना ऐसा नहीं है, राइट? फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज देयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉलिसी, एंड चाइल्ड इज फ्री टू चूज. And to be very honest, child is very much clear only after 8th standard.
ओके, या
Till
अग्रीड.
fifth standard, again, medium of teaching during our time was, mother tongue was never given the weightage. It was Hindi and English only, correct? Now till 5th standard, it it is either the regional language or the mother tongue, and English is a subject and not a medium anymore.
ओके,
Right? Yes, this change has come after 5th standard, 6th standard.
सो आई कैन चूज लाइक मेरा बच्चा कौन से मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन में
Way of teaching, sir. Teaching.
okay.
During our time, teaching was strictly done in English only.
ओके.
Right? Whether child is able to understand or they are not able to understand. Now they can teach in mother tongue also. They can
Okay.
teach in regional language also. English is definitely one of the subject, but English is not a medium till few years of a preschool, sir.
ओके.
After few years, English is getting introduced as a subject, of course,
Okay.
and medium switches to English, sir. So
Okay.
lot many things have changed in education policy. We talk about हमारे time पे it was straight.
Is this okay? So, if you remember, I came to you I think a few months back with a case of a friend of mine. Ki like they wanted
Yeah.
admission, but because they are based in northern India,
Correct.
और वहाँ पे जो एज क्राइटेरिया
Cut
है
off. Yes.
दैट इज़ डिफरेंट, यहाँ पे अलग है. सो इफ शी कम्स हियर, his daughter, she will have to repeat a year.
True.
मैम, हम यहाँ नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है? मतलब जस्ट लुक एट द वर्ड नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी,
Correct.
एंड देर इज नो क्लैरिटी, देर इज नो यूनिफॉर्मिटी इस
True.
लेवल पे. सो
True.
आर यू
True.
सेइंग कि पॉलिसी बना दी गई है पर इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हो रही है?
पॉलिसी बना दी गई है, इम्प्लीमेंट भी हो रही है. इट्स नॉट दैट इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हो रही है, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन द चेंज. हमने चेंज भी देखा है, बिकॉज हमारे टाइम पे जो किंडरगार्टन था और अभी के टाइम पे किंडरगार्टन है, दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट, सर. राइट?
ओके.
हाँ, कुछ रूल्स है विच आर नॉट इन अवर हैंड्स, जो गवर्नमेंट ने बना के रखे हैं. जो एडमिशन देने का क्राइटेरिया उनका है, जो कट ऑफ उन्होंने सेट किया है स्टेट वाइज. सेम थिंग इफ वी फ्रॉम गुजरात somebody goes to Maharashtra, the same person is also going to face the issues over there. Right?
Yeah.
So this is a topic which everybody has to decide nationwide कि इस चीज को एक कॉमन कर देना चाहिए इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द कट ऑफ डेट्स. जैसे 3+, 4+, 5+ डिफाइन किया गया है, बट कट ऑफ जो सेट किया गया है, दैट इज अ
Age
डिबेटेबल
wise,
इशू. दैट इज अ
मतलब
डिबेटेबल इशू.
क्या हमारे पॉलिसी मेकर्स को लगता है कि दिल्ली में एक 4 साल का बच्चा और गुजरात में एक 4 साल का बच्चा
सेम
एक
लेवल
अलग
का नहीं हो?
माइंडसेट के हैं? मतलब उनका
ऐसा होना नहीं
mind-
चाहिए. ऐसा
right?
होना नहीं चाहिए. करेक्ट.
So
करेक्ट.
there is
करेक्ट.
something. So
यस.
so can we say कि अभी ये पॉलिसी हमने बना दी है, but it is not getting implemented properly, or there are some hiccups here?
Yeah, there are some hiccups, sir. When we talk
Okay.
about the admission criteria, yes, definitely. If somebody from outstation wants to come and take the admission, and
Okay.
if they don't fall in that category, then that person has to face the challenges.
Okay, so then I would like to touch a topic जो मैंने सोचा था मैं नहीं टच करूँगा, बट बिकॉज हम उस तरफ चले गए हैं, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क, तो फिर हम जो एक Finland schools are very famous
Yeah.
because of the way they have designed their curriculum, the way their students are, they are like the gold standard across the world. हम कहीं ना कहीं उस तरफ चलना चाह रहे थे. आज वी आर नॉट इवन हम अगर एक बेसिक नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी अगर हम इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, राइट नाउ आई एम, because I am very new to this, my daughter is 4 years old, I can imagine the pain of countless parents who have transferable jobs. I mean, what would they have been facing, right?
True.
Okay.
True.
So ma'am, there is one more subject that I would like to touch upon. Very interesting thing that I have recently seen. अगर आज, first of all, no offense to anyone, no offense to any of the housewives, or but I'm just saying, so education, जैसे आपने बोला कि like teachers would be gods,
Yeah, they're the
that
role
is what
models.
that they are the role models. अभी ऐसा हो गया है कि अगर आपको, let's say you are sitting at home and you want to do a job, teaching is the first and foremost thing जो आप करना चाहते हो. Maybe because the entry barrier is very less, right?
All right.
I was reading the newspaper and I was like कि आप 2 से 5 आओ और आपको ये पैसे मिलेंगे, ये पैसे मिलेंगे, एकदम बेसिक, ठीक है. And because of probably the flexibility, a lot of homemakers also opt for it, right?
True.
Education इतना important, right? और उसमें आप ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि जो उसमें जो मेन करता हैं, जिनका सबसे ज़्यादा शायद स्टेक है आफ्टर स्टूडेंट्स, दोस टीचर्स, मतलब देर इज़ अ वेरी वेरी, मतलब कोई भी आज उठ के जाके टीचर बन सकता है, राइट? सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग. Is there a criteria specifically? So I understand for after a certain time you need to have B.Ed and
Yes.
right? But college में फिर प्रोफेसर बनने के लिए you might need a PhD or something. But फॉर्मेशन ईयर्स में बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज़ वन, राइट? सो इज देयर अ क्राइटेरिया और समथिंग? पहला पॉइंट विच आई वुड लाइक यू टू एड्रेस. सेकेंड, जब भी हम ऐसे देखते हैं ना, तो it is not even an easy job, okay?
Certainly.
Now, so the first thing, so I might be contradicting
Yeah,
myself, but
your
yes,
own statement.
yeah, so I'm telling you,
I'm
पहली
coming
बात
on
तो
that.
हाँ, किसी को भी आके मिल जाता है बहुत easily. Second, it's not an easy job, it's a very very burnout job, ठीक है? So I have worked in corporates, I have worked as a teacher in a, and मैं तो बड़े बच्चों को पढ़ाया है 1-2 साल, ठीक है? It's a very very high burnout job.
True.
Right? So are these people trained enough? So let's say they get into the system, the barrier of entry is low. So जैसे you are heading a school, okay, across 8 centers, is there a training program to manage that, right?
Yeah.
How do I be comfortable a school which is charging me so much and मुझे यही नहीं पता है कि if they are getting any kind of teachers, right? And एक झुंझलाहट हो जाती है जब छोटे बच्चों को आप हैंडल करते हो ना, तो एक सर्टेन आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग इरिटेटेड, राइट? सो हाउ डू यू एड्रेस बोथ?
It's a $1 million question. See, the grass is always green on the other side, right? So as a parent, if you think that किसी को भी job मिल सकती है and taking entry as a teacher is a very easy access in a school.
Yeah, it is.
And somebody who comes for an interview, they also come with the same notion.
Yes.
That ठीक है ना, बस 6 घंटे में तो घर आ जाएंगे, अपना घर भी
Correct.
संभल जाएंगे, अपने बच्चे भी संभल जाएंगे, that's okay, हो जाएगा, right? But this is the most challenging job one could ever have in life. Trust me on this. I'm saying from my years of experience. To teach in college is very
नहीं
easy.
मैम, आप टीचर एज अ स्टेक होल्डर की तरह बात कर रहे हो, बट अगर आप
नहीं,
ऐसे सोचो,
मैं नॉर्मल आपको जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स बता रही हूँ,
नहीं,
राइट?
लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे सोचो, फॉर अ स्कूल बहुत ही आसान है, आप थोड़े पैसे ही देकर यू गेट अ रिसोर्स.
आई एग्री. चलो
Right?
बहुत थोड़े
हाँ.
पैसे दे के रिसोर्स ले लिया हमने, टीचर्स को ले लिया, राइट? बट सिर्फ एडमिशन लेना इज नॉट द ओनली क्राइटेरिया ऑफ अ स्कूल हु एक्चुअली आर इनटू रियल एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड, राइट? रोल ओवर एडमिशंस नेक्स्ट ईयर के उतने ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं उनके लिए. एंड नाउ अ डेज पेरेंट्स हैव लॉट मेनी चॉइसेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ प्री स्कूल. right?
Okay.
If you're not happy with one particular XYZ school, you will switch to another school.
Hmm.
Because initially 5 years you can switch the schools, कोई issue नहीं आता है बच्चे को.
Hmm.
After few years, yes, a child has to be steady, और बच्चा खुद ही बोलता है कि अब मैं स्कूल चेंज नहीं करूंगा.
Okay.
In that parents have no choice.
नहीं मैम,
So
आप
till the 5
स्पेसिफिकली
years,
मुझे बताइए
हाँ,
कि टीचर्स एंट्री देते टाइम गेटिंग समवन वांट्स जॉब एज अ टीचर, what are the
I'll
criteria
tell
I
you.
look
I'll
at?
tell you.
Yeah.
If somebody comes, if somebody applies us, there
Yeah.
is a process,
Okay.
right? While you interact with the, whenever they send their resume, all right, whenever they send their resume, if we see that the candidate is a fresher, okay, if the candidate is experienced one, there is not a problem. वो filter आते तो वहीं पे हो जाते हैं, right?
Okay.
Talking about freshers, yes, freshers are definitely given a chance. And for you to know this, that many times freshers turn out to be a surprise package rather than the experienced one.
Hmm.
And the first criteria what we see is the answers what they pen down. Every school has their own format of filtering the candidates and calling for the interviews, first round, second round, third round. They have to go through many rounds, sir.
Okay.
It's not only हमने बातचीत की, हमें ज़रूरत है तो चलो आप कल से जॉब पे आ जाना. It never happens in that way.
अच्छा.
They have to go through a questionnaire, right? We check the answers. Second round, they have to go for a demo, right? How they conduct the class,
Okay.
how they connect with the children, right? If a person is experienced, we can very easily make out whether the person is a right choice for us or not. 50% battle is won over here. 50% जो भी रहता है, that is done through school by giving them training, conducting workshops, right? Having mentoring them day to day. And on the very first day, they are not given the class. They are under training.
Okay.
They see, they understand the system, right? And if we talk about preschool in particular, what you need, sir, to be very honest, is a lady with charm, with warm smile, with a lot of love, because child needs that on the initial stages of a preschool.
Okay.
How you teach
So आप ऐसा बोल रहे
ABCD?
हैं कि मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं होता है कि कोई भी ऐसे ही आया और
नहीं,
they
no,
can start.
no,
It's
no,
not
no.
a very easy process.
It is
That's
not
what
an
you're
easy
saying.
process. No, sir. We reject so many
But
resumes.
there is no government mandate
It is
here,
there.
right?
It is there. A candidate has to be 12 pass with 45% minimum, plus they should carry any degree certificate which is related to education.
Okay.
B.Ed is the first criteria, right?
For preschools? नहीं.
Now they are introducing if comes to junior KG or senior KG. Otherwise, for main schools, B.Ed is compulsory. If you talk about preschool, ACCI जो course होता है early
For
childhood का,
main
for that
schools, you mean from
certificates
class 1?
from class 1, sir. Yeah, from
So
class
you're
1
saying
to
आज ये जितने भी schools चल रहे हैं उसमें जो भी teachers हैं, everyone holds a B.Ed degree.
B.Ed degree is compulsory, sir. Many times it happens that B.Ed नहीं किया, but they are pursuing B.Ed. So during the running service also, they can complete that particular degree course, and they
Okay.
can submit their B.Ed certificate to the schools.
So that's compulsory.
B.Ed is compulsory, sir. When you talk about the main schools.
Okay.
And for preschools, yes, they can submit the certificate course, ACCI course. And many times school only asks them to finish few courses if we see that she is the finest teacher. But just due to lack of some certificate, she may fall behind. So school only asks them and guide them to go for particular courses. Otherwise, workshops, trainings, it always happens fortnightly, quarterly, monthly.
Okay.
It's in that way. But again, selection is not done so easily. We are in need to chalo hire kar lo kisi ko bhi, because school's goodwill is at stake, sir. Nobody can just pick up any candidate and ask them to join the school. It's not
Okay.
possible. It's not possible.
Okay. So I'll ask you the second part of that question.
Mm.
What about the burnout? Because it might not be a very so if I compare it with a corporate job, just to give example, वहाँ पे स्टेक होल्डर में लेट्स से देयर इज अ बॉस ओवर यू राइट एंड यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल सर्टेन. यहाँ पे देयर आर मल्टीपल बॉसेस फॉर अ टीचर राइट. सो प्रिंसिपल है या जो भी सुपरवाइजर है हु इज गोइंग टू सुपरवाइज हर और हिम, उसके अलावा भी उसके अलावा जो 20 बच्चे आप क्लास में हैंडल कर रहे हो, एवरीवन्स पेरेंट्स इज बेसिकली अ बॉस. ठीक है. और आई हैव हर्ड काउंटलेस स्टोरीज जिसमें मैंने पेरेंट्स को बहुत छोटी छोटी बातों पे बहुत हंगामा करते हुए देखा है. सो हाउ डू यू एंश्योर दैट अ टीचर डजंट गेट बर्नट आउट वेरी इजीली?
Yeah, that is very important question, sir. It depends entirely on the management that how frequently they are allowing parents to directly contact the teacher.
Okay.
Proper channel is must, right? If they have any issues, that they are supposed to contact the office, right? And that particular responsible person will then coordinate with the teacher. So it's a proper channel. Teachers are there. Above teacher it is academic coordinator, above there it is admin, above that it's a principal. So burnout gets filtered,
Okay.
right? And if you talk about 20 children, you won't believe me, sir, but again I'm saying, I have seen teachers enjoying their work. I have seen teachers, whatsoever stress they are having at home, over here among the children they forget what they are passing through.
Okay.
As I said, they have unconditional love to give to teachers. So to many, yes, I will say exceptions are always there, right? They are not able to balance both the things, and there are majority who forget everything when they are among the children. And if anybody makes this profile as their passion, burnout जैसा कुछ होता ही नहीं है सर.
Okay. Something just came to my mind.
Yeah.
What about male teachers? Do you get any requests for male teachers in preschools?
Yeah,
Are
we
they
get.
good enough to handle? Is there an inclination? Yeah, this is considered a female only job right now.
Yes, it is considered as a female oriented particular profile, because males, I will not say, we also receive many resumes of male,
Mhm.
but we look forward to hire females only, sir.
Okay.
Because nowadays even parents also want to see that how many male staff is there, how many female is there. And with females it is very easy because we are dealing with toddlers, right?
Right.
And toddlers get more connected to females. The reason behind that is they look their mother in XYZ teachers.
Right.
And being a female oriented profile, it's very easy for us also to deal with them,
Okay.
because they know do's and don'ts, because they are all mother.
Hmm.
So a mother can very easily know the pain of the child, right?
Okay.
I will not say that male cannot know the pain of the child. I
Yeah.
will be wrong if I
We would
quote
call you
this.
sexist. Yeah.
No, I will not say that.
Right.
I will not say that.
Yeah.
But yes, if we talk about preschool, females are definitely given priority compared to males.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we touched on the topic of teachers. There is another topic here. So when it comes to preschools and let's say the formative years, the way you put it, ma'am, considered to be the most important for any child. पहले हम नहीं सोचते थे ऐसा, पर आजकल हम ऐसा सोचने लगे हैं. There is a preschool in every nook and corner,
True.
right? In a
True.
major city,
True.
right? It is mostly preschool come daycare.
Yeah.
ऐसा बोल के. But there is on every nook and corner I see. एंड जो स्कूल का कॉन्सेप्ट था, सो जैसे मैंने बताया, तो आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी प्रिविलेज बैकग्राउंड, पर मैं जितने भी स्कूलों में पढ़ा हूँ, ऑल ऑफ देम हैड अ नाइस प्ले ग्राउंड. छोटा ही हो, मतलब मुझे तो देख के नाइस बड़ा प्ले ग्राउंड लगता था. सो देयर वाज अ नाइस प्ले ग्राउंड, देयर यूज्ड टू बी सम डिसेंट फैसिलिटीज एंड एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. आज हर एक कॉमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स में फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड फ्लोर को रिडिज़ाइन कर दिया जाता है, थोड़ा सा अंदर फैब्रिकेशन करके उसको प्री स्कूल बना दिया जाता है.
True.
Right? And so when I went to look for my daughter, like मेरे घर के आस पास, so where I stay, we counted, there were 24 preschools.
Yeah, no wonder.
Before I came to Discovery Land, 24 preschools थे. Right? What is there a government mandate कि आप ये हो तो ही, जैसे कि एक फार्मेसी की दुकान खोलनी है, अगर केमिस्ट बनना है तो यू नीड सम काइंड ऑफ ये, तो ही देयर इज अ मैंडेट, राइट? गवर्नमेंट, देयर इज अ क्राइटेरिया. प्री स्कूल में क्या कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं बनाया है? मतलब कोई भी खोल सकता है और कहीं भी, देयर इज नो बेसिक फैसिलिटीज रिक्वायर्ड कि आपने बस एक 2 रूम खोल दिए और 2 रूम में वॉट एवर एक प्री स्कूल चल रहा है. सो वॉट इज़ इट लाइक? क्यों इतने सारे प्री स्कूल्स हैं?
सर, पहले प्री स्कूल का इतना कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था, इतना इम्पोर्टेंस भी नहीं दिया जाता था. दिमाग में पहले क्या था, 2 घंटे 3 घंटे बच्चों को छोड़ दो, राइट? कि पेरेंट्स आर फ्री, they are in the school, they feel that okay, my child has started education,
Right.
my child has started the schooling. Okay. They were least concerned about knowing what facilities the child is getting, right? What is the safety over there? They were only under that thought process कि हमने स्कूल चालू करवा दिया, right? Because
Okay.
फ्रेंड सर्कल में सबने चालू करवा दिया है.
ओके,
कमिंग
तो
बैक टू
कुछ भी चलेगा।
peer pressure,
हम्म
करेक्ट, कि नहीं
हम्म
तो फिर हमने भी भेजना शुरू कर दिया है.
हम्म
Because initially government was never involved in any of the things. It was never part of the main school, as I said.
ओके
Now things are changing.
हम्म
After few years, things will come, which has already started coming. Playground is compulsory in a preschool now. It is coming,
जस्ट
sir.
हाँ, तो मैं जस्ट एक, सो द रीजन वी वेंट फॉर आवर डॉटर टू
Hmm.
डिस्कवरी लैंड,
Hmm.
हम आपसे मिले, ऑफ कोर्स वी टॉक विद
Hmm.
यू, बट वी ऑल्सो सॉ कि हाँ चलो एक ग्राउंड तो है,
Exactly.
राइट, अदरवाइज हमने
Exactly.
कहीं ग्राउंड ही नहीं देखा,
Exactly.
सेकेंड फ्लोर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे कोई कुछ भी चला रहा है। या ऑलराइट, सॉरी
So,
कंटिन्यू।
sir, this depends on parents' thought process as well.
Right.
What they are actually looking for. I
Hmm.
already said one statement to you.
Hmm.
Do not look what other kids are doing.
Hmm.
You try to find out what you want to give to your child. Right?
पर मैम आप देखिए, ये तो आप मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से बोल रहे हो, मैं आई एम
नहीं,
स्पीकिंग
मैं जनरल में बात कर रही
बिकॉज
हूँ.
देखिए आज की डेट में, पहले देर वाज सम टाइम व्हेन देर वाज वन पर्सन वर्किंग एंड द अदर वन वाज नॉट. राइट नाउ ऐसा हो गया है कि बोथ द स्पाउसेस वर्क, ओके,
Correct,
दे हैव
correct.
करियर्स टू बिल्ड
Correct.
एंड दे वांट टू पुट देयर चाइल्ड इनटू डे केयर और प्री स्कूल, तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ हमने पढ़ा भी तो रहे हैं हम, राइट, दैट इज़ हैपनिंग, राइट, वहाँ पे. बट मतलब जो भी अवेलेबल, सो इट्स मोर अबाउट कन्वीनियंस कि कितना घर से नज़दीक है, कितने इजीली हम पिकअप
Correct.
ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं.
Correct,
Right.
correct, correct.
बट आई एम स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ कि ये चलो बिजनेस, एजुकेशन बिजनेस तो बन गया है, पर इस लेवल पे कि मतलब आप कहीं भी खोल रहे हो प्री स्कूल, और स्टूडेंट, मतलब आजकल आप देख रहे हो कितने सारे केसेस हैं, कितने सारे बिल्डिंग्स के पास एनओसीज नहीं होते
नहीं
हैं.
है, right,
इट
right.
इज अ गैदरिंग, राइट, इट्स अ क्राउड, इट्स अ गैदरिंग. अगर आप 3 क्लास भी चला रहे हो, यू हैव 60 स्टूडेंट्स crammed inside a small room, right?
Correct, correct, correct.
So shouldn't it be regulated a bit? My
It is
question.
already in pipeline, sir. It has
Okay.
started, and you will
Okay.
see the results very soon.
Okay.
Right? Maybe we had a vision beforehand only, so our all branches are having beautiful campus. And
Yeah, yeah.
and talking about preschool studies, that is what we call foundational 5 years of
Right.
NEPC.
Right.
It is must. It is necessary because over there learning begins from the campus itself.
Acha.
What we call as play activity,
Mhm.
activity learning. You cannot do that in 4 walls, sir.
Hmm.
Right? And child, they have either 1 hour or 2 hour sitting capacity.
Hmm.
उनकी capacity भी नहीं होती है.
Right.
Right? How will you increase their capacity?
Hmm.
You have to bring them out of the 4 walls.
Right.
And nowhere it is written that studies has to be done in 4 walls only. कैंपस में भी आप स्टडी करा सकते हो, आप कॉरिडोर में भी करा सकते हो, आप प्रिंसिपल के कैबिन में भी करा सकते हो. Right?
Acha.
How you do it, that matters. Initially it was what you have to make the child study. Right?
Okay.
Now it is whether the child has understood.
Hmm.
That is important. The
Okay.
concept is changing totally. And campus necessity is must now for every preschool, sir, which you will be able to see very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was just going through the website of one of the most premium, I won't say most effective या बहुत अच्छी preschool. So one of the most premium preschools of Ahmedabad. I was going through their website yesterday.
Okay.
आपको पता है from what age are they taking admissions? Can you guess? Just take a guess.
1 year?
9 months.
9 months. Okay, that was close. Okay.
I was shocked.
Yeah. All right.
मतलब your kid, ठीक है, I understand all the issues of a modern family, the pressures of a modern family, but एक बच्चा 9 महीने का है and he is or she is going to a preschool. Don't you think there should be a regulation there? At least that age should be brought up more. बच्चा अपने घर पे रहा कब? You know, the
True,
best memories, memories तो नहीं बोलते हैं, मतलब याद नहीं रहता है, but a kid enjoys with his parents, grandparents. What will you teach a 9-month-old kid? And this I'm talking about the most premium, right? अगर फीस की बात करूँ तो one of the most premium schools. And I was shocked कि वो 9 months से they are taking ये, मतलब रेवेन्यू के नाम पे क्या कुछ भी चल रहा है? मतलब सब चलता है but why is that? ये तो
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसा is that like कि सब चला रहे हैं हम?
सर इसमें I will say that maybe ये need create की गई है parents की तरफ से, especially working couples.
क्या ये
if we
नीड
talk
पेरेंट्स?
about
नहीं मैम, क्या ये नीड पेरेंट्स की तरफ से क्रिएट की गई है या फिर ऐसा है कि मार्केट ऐसा किया गया है कि पेरेंट्स को ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मैं 9 महीने से अपने बच्चे को एक स्कूल में प्री स्कूल में नहीं डालूंगा तो वो कहीं छूट जाएगा. एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज द फाउंडर्स ऑफ these schools are from leading engineering colleges of this country. They are from IITs. Okay.
Okay.
And I was bit taken aback. So आपने कहा कि पेरेंट्स की तरफ से why always blaming parents,
No, I'm not
right?
blaming
See,
parents.
marketing, if you market it that way time and again, right,
Correct,
that I
correct.
am missing out if I don't put my kid, तो मैं कितना भी I try to be cool, I try to be normal, sometimes I will succumb to the peer pressure.
Correct, correct.
Right?
As a mentor, as a mentor, yes, one should definitely guide parents. That 9 months, so even I definitely don't agree that
You can
9
check on the
months
website.
child.
You can check on the website. I'll give you the
Okay.
name. I cannot just take
Okay,
that name on
okay.
the show,
Yeah,
but it's
yeah,
there.
I got
Yeah,
it. I
yeah,
got it.
yeah.
But yes, it doesn't justify
Yeah.
the teaching profession.
Yeah.
First of all, as you said, 9 months baby who is not able to walk also
Yeah.
is a crawling baby.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? So maybe under some other criteria they must have taken the admissions, or I don't know what the reason behind that must be. It is like डिमांड क्रिएट की गई है तो उसका एडवांटेज उठाया गया है एंड दे हैव कम अप विथ एनी एक्सवाइजी फैसिलिटीज टू विच पेरेंट्स फील दैट यस branded
They
name
have
is
an
there.
amazing campus. They have a beautiful campus.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
so somebody who is into lead, right,
Mm.
they can only take the chance of 9 months old baby,
Yeah.
right? And which ethically is not correct. I
Yeah.
definitely agree with
Exactly.
you.
Well,
It is not
ethically
correct.
also,
It is
right?
not correct.
Even if I'm in the business of making money through education,
True, true.
I still should draw a line somewhere.
True. And
right?
education is such a pious field that you should not think of running it as a business. You
Ma'am,
have to,
देखिए, let's
unfortunately,
not get there because
unfortunately, yeah,
everyone
as
is,
you
right?
said, as
Yeah,
you
everyone
said,
is.
but your business mind should not hamper the education which you are actually want to impart the students. Business,
Okay.
business की point of view पे है, चला कौन रहा है, that is very important, sir. Right?
All right. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. ठीक है? Affordability, right?
Yeah.
सबका वही सवाल है. So I think 3-4 दिन पहले
हाँ.
अहमदाबाद के न्यूज़पेपर्स में there was a news कि the school van fees has increased.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And
Diesel and petrol have increased.
and that was by a very small amount, I think. I think it was 100 rupees or 200 rupees every month. इतना ही बढ़ा था. But there was a huge hue and cry all throughout. कुछ स्कूल्स के सामने तो आई थिंक पेरेंट्स धरना देने भी पहुंच गए थे ना. अफोर्डेबिलिटी इज़ अ वेरी वेरी important criteria in education that has now started affecting a lot of our lives. So आपको डिंक कॉन्सेप्ट पता है मैम? डबल इनकम नो
Yeah, no,
kids.
no
Yeah.
kids. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
वही
this
चल रहा है
came
अभी.
into so this came into being इंडिया जहाँ पे लोगों को मतलब people did not ever think before producing a child. आज they are getting into that concept. और it is not about कि मतलब there is some kind of an issue. इशू ये है कि अफोर्डेबल मतलब आज का मतलब वी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड द एजुकेशन. अगर एक बच्चे को आप इस दुनिया में लाकर ढंग का एजुकेशन ही नहीं दे सकते
Correct, correct,
तो फिर आप उसको लाओ ही क्यों?
correct.
It is affecting us in the reverse way. It is affecting our
It's a guilt
fertility
what you
rates,
feel.
fertility rates as a country, and that is true, ma'am.
That's true.
That's true. आज आपका बच्चा है और अगर वो कोई चीज़ मांग रहा है और आप नहीं दे पा रहे हो, so you start feeling guilty.
Yeah, yeah,
And that was
absolutely,
true for our
absolutely.
parents also.
Absolutely.
And that is true for us also now.
Right, right, right.
And it has been stretched so much. Schools are milking, marketing the system so much. Right?
Right.
क्लास 7-8 से बच्चों को फॉरेन कंट्रीज भेजा जा रहा है. राइट? सी नो, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम जहाँ पे यू नो some premiumization of education is happening, if I may put it like that. But the way it is being put now, as I said, education as a business, जो मैंने आपको मैंने पहले ही कहा कि टीचर्स, यू गेट टीचर्स यू नो एट अ वेरी वेरी starting salaries, ठीक है, not
Basics.
paid well, basic salaries, and then you are taking uh, fees at a very very different kind of rates, right? हमारे टाइम पे जो फीस हुआ करती थी, सो आई टेल यू, आई यूज टू स्टडी इन अ डिसेंट स्कूल एंड आई यूज टू पे around 250 to 300 rupees a month, right?
Very
This
true.
is 2000 and 2001 2002 I'm talking about, when I was
Okay,
in school.
okay.
It has been 25 years.
It was 80 rupees during our time.
Okay. Right. Now it has exploded like anything,
Yes.
right? So प्री स्कूल या एक रेगुलर स्कूल में मैं बात करूँ, एनीवेयर जस्ट टू पुट माई किड टू अ डिसेंट एजुकेशन स्कूल जहाँ पे कोई ज़्यादा तामझाम नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, आई विल स्टिल हैव टू शेल आउट लेट्स से 1.5 lakh or something a month, right?
Right.
Let me do the calculation for you. So let's say I have 2 kids and the gap of 3-4 years, स्कूल ट्यूशन मैं अभी काउंट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं उस पर भी आता हूँ. And let's say we are a double income family with in a tier 2 city like Ahmedabad, जहाँ पे let's say we both are earning मिला के 25 लाख रुपया साल का, example, okay? Now you have 2 kids, okay? One kid, the school fees is let's say 1.5 lakh that you are spending in a year. Second kid 2-3 साल बड़ा, you would end up spending 2-2.5 लाख रुपया. Together it's 4, okay?
Yeah.
उसके बाद you add the extracurricular activities, okay? You add the tuitions, because you have to do tuitions, there's peer pressure.
Coaching class, yeah.
So you end up very easily shelling out let's say 6 to 7 lakh rupees just to education.
True.
And for a couple, a middle class couple जो 25 लाख रुपया कमा रहा है, ठीक है, around more than around 25%, okay, of their income is just going in getting their 2 kids through a decent school.
True.
How much is that justified? We as a country where we pay the highest taxes, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Highest
That's
taxes,
true. That's true.
shouldn't education be free or at least subsidized in the primary stages?
Agree, sir.
Right?
Absolutely agree with you.
है ना, क्योंकि एक टाइम
Absolutely.
के बाद, एक लेवल के बाद तो आप बहुत ही इजीली, मतलब इट इज़ ऑन यू कि आप क्या पढ़ाना चाहते हो, जैसे कि फॉरेन एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स में है. बट अगर एक डिसेंटली अर्न करने वाली फैमिली भी 25 to 30% ऑफ देयर एनुअल इनकम दे आर गिविंग अवे इन एजुकेशन, राइट?
True, true, true.
हाउ मच इज इट अफोर्डेबल? इट शुड, अगर मैं ऐसे देखूं, इट शुड बी अ परसेंटेज ऑफ योर इनकम, राइट? अराउंड 10% इज व्हाट इज कंसिडर्ड फेयर across the world. We are sitting somewhere like 20 to 25%, 30%,
Correct.
right? So how justified is that?
Yeah, I definitely agree with you, sir. I totally agree with you because education, the way it is shaping up, it's important also, it's necessary also, nobody can avoid it also, right? And it is definitely nowadays it is becoming burden on parents.
Right.
स्टूडेंट्स पे तो जो प्रेशर है वो है ही, बट ये जो पेरेंट्स के ऊपर बर्डन आ रहा है वो डेफिनेटली उसको ईज ऑफ कर देना चाहिए.
Okay.
एंड इन दैट कुछ what some standard policy should be announced by government only, right? The way you talk about getting it subsidized, that is the best way, and this should be implemented on every school.
Okay.
So again, there is no competition or
School lobby ये होने देगी?
होने
Some of the biggest
it is
politicians,
a challenge. It's a
मतलब
challenge.
business करना हो तो like schooling.
वो कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकाल लेंगे.
हाँ,
वो कुछ ना
exactly.
कुछ रास्ता निकाल लेंगे. इतना
हाँ.
इजी भी नहीं है. बट वी टॉक अबाउट जनरल पब्लिक और जनरल डिस्कशन, यस, कोई तीसरा रास्ता निकालना चाहिए, थर्ड वे, इन विच इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल ऑल्सो हैव देयर ओन एक्सपेंसेस, आई एग्री विद दैट, बट it can be controlled.
Okay.
It can be controlled, and the expense which is passed on the parents, the way you explained about the foreign trips, it's not necessary. It's not
I
needed.
agree. So when I go to that level,
Yeah.
मैं अगर वैसे स्कूल में पढ़ाता हूँ मेरे बच्चे को, और so that is a choice that I am making. I can afford it or not afford it, right?
Correct.
But
correct.
जो एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको दिया कैलकुलेट करके,
Correct.
ये मैं एकदम बेसिक बता रहा हूँ.
Correct.
right?
Correct. Correct.
मतलब इसमें तो ऐसे सब कोई बड़ी लग्जरीज इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं है. दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक एजुकेशन स्कूलिंग सिस्टम that we are talking.
And if I talk about
हाँ.
child psychology, if a parent is not willing to send the child in
Hmm.
that any particular trip, which educational trip, what that particular school is planning,
Hmm.
again this goes reverse.
Hmm.
Child feels that मुझे नहीं जाने दिया,
Exactly.
right? They will start getting inferior complex from the very beginning. They will start
Exactly.
losing confidence.
Hmm.
So over here, damage is done directly on the child.
Right.
At the same time, parent have to balance their budget also.
Right.
करेक्ट, पढ़ाना भी है, नहीं भी कुछ कुछ चीजें
नहीं
नहीं
मैम,
करनी है.
बजट की बात तो तब होती है जब एक स्पेसिफिक लेवल में होता है. यहाँ तो मैं आपको काउंट करवा रहा हूँ कि 25% तो जो मियाँ बीवी अच्छा कमा रहे हैं. मतलब हमारे देश में अगर
अगर
मतलब
बीवी
12 लाख
कमाई
का
नहीं रही है
सैलरी होती
तो सबसे ज्यादा
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम
स्टार्ट
होगा.
है. सी अगर दोनों काम कर रहे हैं और लाख रुपया महीने का कमा रहे हैं,
करेक्ट
राइट,
करेक्ट
तो
करेक्ट,
इट इज कंसिडर्ड डिसेंट इनकम टू स्टार्ट विद हमारे कंट्री में.
ट्रू ट्रू,
उसमें से अगर आप 6 लाख रुपया 7 लाख रुपया सब मिला के यू आर जस्ट गिविंग ऑन
करेक्ट,
एजुकेशन, तो दैट इज अ बिग इनकम.
बिग इनकम,
इफ यू कैलकुलेट दैट ऑन लाइक लेट्स से 10 ईयर्स और 12 साल में आप कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए,
ट्रू,
तो यू आर गिविंग अ लॉट. हम बोलते हैं ना कि अगर हेल्थ कोई जैसे मिडिल क्लास को मिडिल क्लास ही रखना है, और तो अगर उनके घर में कोई हेल्थ इश्यूज है तो मिडिल क्लास बेचारा मिडिल क्लास ही रहेगा,
रहेगा.
वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएगा.
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू,
ठीक है, वो तो एक शौक जैसा आता है कि कुछ हुआ हेल्थ में. ये तो ऐसा है कि हो ही रहा है, राइट. ये तो कुछ अच्छी चीज़ है जो मतलब आई थिंक आफ्टर हेल्थ और आई थिंक एजुकेशन शुड बी केप्ट बिट हायर देन हेल्थ, जहाँ पे इट इज़ कीपिंग यू मिडिल क्लास.
सर, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एजुकेशन शुड बी फ्री ओनली.
एग्जैक्टली.
It should be free.
Wow.
There should be
Yeah.
no charges, no charges,
Yeah.
because you are creating leaders of future,
Right.
right? You're creating engineers. You're creating another India. If we
Right.
talk about,
Hmm.
right,
Hmm.
education free. This is my first choice, right? If you ask about my opinion, talking about government fees, जो कुछ भी नहीं होती है, right? Now the hard luck is कि government जो staff है वो हमें चाहिए नहीं. हमारा जो
उनके टीचर्स अच्छे. सी आप कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन देखो,
मैं वही कह
आप
रही
अच्छा
हूँ.
पढ़ाते हो प्राइवेट
हाँ,
स्कूल में,
हाँ.
आपके टीचर्स आर नॉट एज वेल पेड एज गवर्नमेंट स्कूल टीचर्स आर पेड, जो जरा भी अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. तो
Yeah.
ये मे बी गवर्नमेंट शुड पिच इन, राइट? स्टाफ चेंज करने चाहिए, या तो फिर सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करना चाहिए. आई डोंट नो, बट दोनों पार्टी ऑपोजिट वर्क कर रही है.
एग्जैक्टली.
Correct?
Yeah.
So the best way is, as I said, education has to be free. If you don't want to make till 12th standard, at least make it till middle school. It's very
मेरा गांव है,
important.
सो आई कम फ्रॉम यूपी. देयर इज अ
Okay.
so I come from Basti, which is like a town 40 kilometers from Ayodhya.
Hmm.
मेरा घर है खेत के बीचों बीच, उससे लगा हुआ एक स्कूल है. मैं जब भी
Okay.
जाता हूँ, आई सी द वे दैट टीचर टीचेस. ठीक है, उन्हें जब आना होता है वो आते हैं, जब नहीं आना होता है तब नहीं आते हैं. ठीक है,
Okay.
वॉट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स ही टीचर्स, नहीं तो नहीं. कई दिन ऐसा होता है कि वो बाजू में आके मेरे घर पे बैठ के चाय पी रहे होते हैं और 15-20 बच्चे वहाँ बैठ के कुछ ना कुछ लिख रहे होते हैं, वो बता के आ जाते हैं, राइट.
Okay.
दैट इज़ द लेवल ऑफ स्कूलिंग हैपनिंग इन आवर कंट्री, राइट, जहाँ पे एजुकेशन
hard
फ्री है.
That's a hard luck.
देयर इज नो मॉनिटरिंग,
Because free doesn't have value, sir. Problem here it
Exactly.
comes. Free doesn't have value.
वहाँ पे सिर्फ इसलिए जाते हैं बच्चे बिकॉज एक टाइम का खाना फ्री मिलता है. देयर इज अ मिड डे
Yeah.
स्कूल स्कीम.
Yeah.
दैट इज द ओनली
Yeah,
रीजन.
that is the only reason.
That is the only reason.
That is the
people
only
go,
reason.
right?
And why they give food? Because they want children to come and study.
Exactly.
Right? They have to pull the crowd
Yeah.
to give the education.
Hmm.
And over here,
But it's highly understaffed. There is nothing like a school per se.
nothing.
एक बोर्ड लगा हुआ है, ठीक है, वो
Correct.
बच्चे नीचे बैठ के पढ़ते हैं.
Correct.
नथिंग इज बीइंग डन. सी हम लोग, और ये स्टोरी मैं आज की नहीं बता रहा हूँ आपको, ठीक है,
Correct.
20 साल से 25 साल से तो हम यही देख रहे हैं. नथिंग हैज चेंज्ड. द गवर्नमेंट्स कम एंड चेंज. ओके,
Right.
वेरियस पार्टीज
Right.
गवर्नमेंट्स कम एंड चेंज. हम देख तो वही रहे हैं, आज भी वही देख रहे हैं.
Exactly. I have seen very closely, sir, the way it works. Because as I said, I run an NGO also. So we have seen very closely how things work at that level.
Right.
Right? Children, their concepts are not clear.
Right.
They have no idea what they are doing it. And if you see the results, it's shocking. And child is blank. So justification is not done at that level. Right? So यहाँ पे to balance everything is a real challenge at first place. If we talk about fees, if we talk about execution, if we talk about qualification, if we talk about salary package, so lot many things one has to work upon.
इससे
And
अच्छा तो मैम फिर यही है ना कि आप डेमोक्रेटाइजेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन ही कर दो। आज एजुकेशन,
hmm,
सो अ लॉट ऑफ ये जो टीचिंग इंडस्ट्री है, खासकर
hmm,
जो हायर टीचिंग इंडस्ट्री है, सो आई वाज
hmm,
रिसेंटली सिटिंग विद समवन जो एमबीए कोचिंग
hmm,
प्रोवाइड करते, प्रिपरेटरी एमबीए कोचिंग, ठीक है,
hmm.
समथिंग दैट वी हैव गॉन थ्रू,
Yeah,
वाइल
yeah,
दैट इंडस्ट्री इज डाइंग, राइट। सब
correct.
कुछ ऑनलाइन आ गया है,
सब कुछ
राइट,
online.
सब कुछ ऑनलाइन आ
Children
गया
are
है,
studying from YouTube.
राइट, बच्चे
Yes,
यूट्यूब से पढ़ ले रहे हैं।
yes,
तो फिर धीरे 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 मतलब दैट इज़ बेटर, एटलीस्ट
yes.
कहीं तो पैसे बचे, क्योंकि आप तो धीरे धीरे ऐसा होता जा रहा है कि एजुकेशन एजुकेशन इज बिकमिंग, इट्स गोइंग आउट ऑफ द बजट ऑफ एनीवन,
True, true.
राइट। सो हाउ डू, लाइक, इज देयर अ वे, इसमें क्या हो सकता है? इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट वी आर सीइंग, और इज दिस लाइक बिजनेस लॉबी इज गोइंग टू जस्ट, कि मैंने बोला ना, हेल्थ और एजुकेशन, आप जितना निचोड़ना चाहो आप निचोड़
आप
सकते हो,
निचोड़
सब
सकते
चलेगा,
हो.
आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते। इज दैट वेयर वी आर हेडेड?
Sir, see, I am also mother, right? I have paid lakhs of rupees behind my child for coaching and everything. And you won't believe he landed going through YouTube and making his lessons.
Okay.
And my child has passed his boards
Hmm.
like this.
Okay. He did not
No,
go to
because
tuitions.
because he very clearly said that, Mama, it's just the fees what you have paid.
Hmm.
For the sake of taking, they have taken the fees.
Hmm.
And this is the scenario.
Okay.
And very renowned coaching classes we had enrolled for.
Okay.
So even so during that time, we had our first shock.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So this is actually a business,
Right.
right?
It's a big business.
It's a big business. Coaching
Yeah.
class is actually bigger than schools.
Yes,
If
exactly.
and they take undue advantage that parents are not happy with the schooling.
Akash Institute, when it got sold to Byju's, the valuation was $1 billion,
Oh wow!
9,000 crores.
Just imagine.
Akash,
Just
I
imagine.
think, yes, this is one.
This is one.
There are
Many.
So imagine the
Many.
yeah. Now there have been companies जो unicorns बन गई हैं just because on that coaching basis.
Yeah, absolutely. And more than schooling, sir, coaching is blooming
Yeah,
business.
exactly.
It's a blooming business, right? Because उनको पता है कि भले स्कूल में जाए, लाखों की फीस पे करे, हमें तो इतना शेयर मिलने ही वाला है क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ आने वाला है.
मैम, तो वो जो
And it's a brand.
कैलकुलेशन, वो जो कैलकुलेशन हमने किया था थोड़ी देर पहले, वो तो बेसिकली क्लास 3 और 5,
हाँ, हमने
3 और
पीछे का
6
तो
सोच
काउंट ही
के
नहीं किया है.
हमने, और आगे जाके तो अभी काउंट नहीं किया जिसमें कोचिंग फीस वगैरह भी आएंगे.
Exactly. अगर जो पेरेंट्स अभी न्यूली मैरिड कपल्स, those who have not planned their babies, अगर आपका ये चैनल देखेंगे, they will think हमें बच्चा प्लान ही नहीं करना है.
ऑलरेडी दे आर, सो आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ देम हु आर वेरी मच कि क्यों करना है.
True.
It's so difficult.
During our time, sir, our parents used to save money for medical emergencies.
Exactly.
Right? Nowadays, particular share side में कर दो for education.
नहीं,
ये share
अगर
side
हम
में कर
जब
दो.
हम ये करते थे मैम, तब हम ये करते थे हायर एजुकेशन के लिए.
हाँ, this
So,
is from the
right,
basic
so
only.
जो अच्छी एजुकेटेड फैमिलीज थी, जब वो पैसा बचाती थी, इट वाज
True.
ऑलवेज फॉर हायर
Higher
एजुकेशन,
education.
कि मुझे मेरे बच्चे को लेट्स से इंडिया से बाहर भेजना है, या आई वांट टू
किसी और सिटी में भी भेजना है. Correct,
सो
correct.
उसके लिए मैंने इतना बचा के रखा है. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेविंग फॉर. आज के डेट में
Exactly.
वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है,
नहीं है,
right?
नहीं है, नहीं
क्योंकि
है, नहीं
उस
है.
तरीके का एजुकेशन तो आज आपको प्राइमरी लेवल्स पे देना पड़ रहा है, राइट?
True. And then frustration when child grows up, parents फिर आता ही है कि
Exactly.
we did this, we did that, we did and everything starts, the conflict starts.
Everything, मतलब, see, everyone is a human. Everyone has their own frustration, challenges. Everyone is trying to, हम जिस तरीके के इंफॉर्मेशन एज में रह रहे हैं, जितना फास्ट पेस्ड वर्ल्ड हो गया है, जितने आंसर्स हमसे डिमांड किए जाते हैं ऑल द टाइम, इट इज़ सो डिफिकल्ट नॉट टू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड.
Yes.
राइट, बहुत आसानी से आपका मूड खराब हो सकता है. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन इन योर लाइफ,
और ये एडिशन होता रहेगा सर.
और ये एडिशन होता रहेगा.
होता रहेगा.
right?
The scenario which we are living in India,
Hmm.
I think it will take ages
Yeah.
to change the system, right,
Okay.
from the root itself.
Right.
So it is better to
But at
prepare
least-
oneself to face the frustration, right, to find the middle way out.
But at least education and health should be prioritized, right?
Prioritize,
In a
and as
way.
I said, yes, consideration should be given, sir, to each and everybody,
Hmm.
so that a person can live 10 more years of the life.
Okay.
ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन प्रेशर में 5 साल तो सबके कम हो ही रहा
हो ही
है.
जाए आराम
ये
से.
हो ही रहे सर. इट्स नॉट
Yeah.
अबाउट ओनली एडल्ट्स, इट्स अबाउट
Hmm.
चिल्ड्रन एज वेल.
Okay.
Yeah, they pass through a lot of torture, pressure. What we talk about, if you see, a lot of many incidents also happens, uh, because parents are shielding so much of money,
Hmm.
right? So they
Hmm.
expect results,
Yeah.
right? If the results are not there, frustration
It's become
starts
like a
coming
corporate
out.
job for the kids also.
And child might be sensitive, child starts overthinking, child feels, before the results are out, they feel कि नहीं मैं fail ही हुआ, I didn't fare it nice in the exams, पापा को पता चलेगा, मम्मी को पता चलेगा, तो everything will come on me, and they cannot take the pressure, sir, and they take very, very wrong decisions.
Isn't that very sad?
It's
Where we are
very
going as a
sad, very
society.
sad. Whenever I come through this kind of cases, I actually feel very sorry. Student तो चलो जो करना था वो कर लिया है. I feel very sorry for the education system. इतना pressure क्यों बनाना है? Why? And that is why maybe the initial step what NEPC has taken, right? Just give them a free will.
Hmm.
Don't torture them.
Hmm.
आपको यही करना है, यही करना नहीं. आपको ये करना है, कैसे करना है वो आपके ऊपर है.
Right.
Right, that is the right way. Initiative तो ले लिया है,
Hmm.
but still many things needs to be changed, as I said, to do women situation, because parents have equal right to be at the comfort zone. It's not only about students.
Right.
The entire family. एक बच्चे का एडमिशन मानी पूरी फैमिली का एडमिशन है सर स्कूल में.
Wow.
Yes, this is fact,
That's
sir.
very.
This is fact. This is
Yeah.
fact. When marriage happens, two families unite.
Yeah.
When a child takes admission in school, the entire family is taken the admission. प्रेशर
Wow.
सब पे पास होता है, राइट? प्रोजेक्ट्स सबमिट करने हैं, प्रेशर आया है. कल डिबेट है, मुझे टॉपिक दो, मुझे आप लेसन लर्न कराओ. Father has to balance office pressure also. Father has to balance child's projects also. And as it's working couples, so mother has to balance kitchen also. Mother has to balance lesson plan also of the child. And this is how conflict starts within the family itself.
Wow.
So it is better projects and everything. Stop giving burden to parents and start making leaders and open up their mind in school itself. Then whatever fees you charge, it is worth.
I'll ask you a very, very fundamental question.
Please.
Okay. We talked about teachers. We talked about affordability.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, very fundamental question. आप लोग जो भी पढ़ा रहे हो,
Hmm.
इस एजुकेशन कितना रेलेवेंट रह गया है? ये शायद सबसे पहले पूछना चाहिए था, पर मैं अब पूछ रहा हूँ. तो ये कितना रेलेवेंट रह गया है? क्योंकि मैं आपको एग्जांपल्स देता हूँ. सो जब मैं छोटा था,
हाँ.
जूनियर सीनियर केजी से, व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जिस पे एकदम फोकस दिया गया था कि हैंड राइटिंग इम्प्रूव करो, यू नो.
True.
इतना
True.
मारा गया है कि ये है, इधर से उधर जा रहा है.
Red to blue होना चाहिए,
Right?
blue to blue होना चाहिए.
Then there was cursive writing.
Cursive writing was
right?
must, was
Right?
compulsory.
आज की जनरेशन, मतलब द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज, वो इररिलेवेंट हो चुका है.
Yes.
Nobody writes anymore. You type either on the phone or on a screen, but you type. You don't write anything. A couple of days back, my wife was trying to write something. बहुत दिनों बाद पेन उठाया. It's like लिखा ही नहीं जा रहा है यार, मतलब
Sir, hands
समझ
start
रहे हो?
paining.
Pain है, मतलब क्या हुआ है ये? This is where we are. That is one instance. ठीक है. जितना रोट लर्निंग किया, सो बिफोर हिस्ट्री एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले हम बुक उठाते थे. हमें इतना पता था आज से कल दोपहर 11:30 तक रटना है और उसके बाद एग्जाम में डाल देना है जाके, 3 घंटा मिलेगा, उसके बाद वी आर डन.
True.
आप जो भी पढ़ा रहे हो, नो, यू सेड गवर्नमेंट हैज क्रिएटेड अ
Hmm.
कॉन्सेप्ट, ये व्हाटएवर इट इज, आप
True.
जो भी पढ़ा रहे हो, विद द वर्ल्ड चेंजिंग सो रैपिडली. पहले दुनिया हर शायद 50 साल में बदलती थी, फिर 40 साल में बदलने लग गई. आज दुनिया हर 5 साल में बदल रही है.
Yes.
गूगल सर्च इज इररेलेवेंट नाउ.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely.
सो हमने तो
Absolutely.
देखा है. सो जब गूगल सर्च आया तो हमारे सामने आया था.
Correct,
राइट, देन देयर
correct.
केम सोशल मीडिया,
Correct.
टुडे एआई.
Yeah.
तो गूगल सर्च इज नाउ अ थिंग ऑफ द पास्ट. सो व्हाटएवर यू आर टीचिंग, इज इट गोइंग टू बी रेलिवेंट? क्योंकि रोट लर्निंग तो ख़त्म ही हो गया है आज की डेट में. जैसे हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि आप जो भी पहले हम याद रखते थे, मार्क्स किस चीज़ के मिलते थे? याद रखने के. सो इट माई मेमोरी वॉज बींग टेस्टेड.
Correct.
आज तो ऐसा है कि why should I learn anything? So there came a time when analysis was given priority. So मैं जब MBA entrance exam में गया, so what analysis? There were
Mm.
no GK based questions कि what is general knowledge, कि भाई मैं सिस्टम में गूगल सर्च करूंगा तो पता चल जाएगा कौन कहाँ का प्रेसिडेंट है, क्या कैपिटल सिटी है,
True.
right?
True.
So it is shifting and it is now shifting very hard, very fast.
Correct.
तो वो जो भी आप पढ़ा रहे हो सब तो ठीक है, हमने ज्ञान ले लिया, बट जो हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, इज इट गोइंग टू बी रेलेवेंट व्हेन दीज किड्स ग्रो अप? So someone who is into the education system now, let's say in class 3 or 4 or 5, when he reaches in class 12 or when he
Hmm.
goes to do a job, is it going to be relevant?
AI has taken place of minds, brains, right? The whole concept of NEPC is that they start do creative thinking. Okay? अपने टाइम पे रोट था, मेमोराइज करके हम लिख देते थे, और हमें मार्क्स किसके दिए जाते थे? हमें मार्क्स कितनी लेंथ के आंसर्स लिखे उसके दिए जाते थे. फुल 1 पेज 5 मार्क्स दिए जाता था, हाफ पेज 2.5 दिया जाता था, राइट? नाउ व्हाट द कॉन्सेप्ट इज, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट 5 years, उस पर भी मैं आती हूँ, राइट? द सिनेरियो इज चाइल्ड्स कॉन्सेप्ट हैज टू बी क्लियर, राइट? पूरे पेज का आंसर नहीं लिखेगा, 2 लाइन में भी कॉन्सेप्ट समझा देना है.
Okay.
Yes, the child can explain the topic within 2 lines also. In 2 lines, the concept should be picturized on the paper.
Okay.
This is new policy, right? Creative thinking.
Hmm.
Brain को use करना है. AI is taking place of that, right? कोई टॉपिक दिया जाएगा, चैट जीपीटी कर लिया, AI कर लिया, आंसर्स मिल गए, आंसर्स लिख दिया. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रैक्टिकलिटी, फोटोसिंथेसिस हमने थ्योरी पढ़ी है, हमने लेबल भी हम करते थे, फ्लावर, लीफ, रूट सब करते थे. नाउ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज टॉट इन अ प्रैक्टिकल वे.
Okay.
ओके, पार्ट्स दिखाए जाते हैं, डे टू डे हाउ दे मेक द फूड with the help of sunlight, पूरा प्रोसेस दिखाया जाता है. So this is experiential learning. So
Okay.
still it is relevant.
Okay.
It is still relevant. Now everything is done project based in reality. During that time how electricity was there, current कैसे आता था, हम लोग सिर्फ एक डायग्राम के थ्रू पढ़ते थे. Now they actually make the projects,
Okay.
and children do on their own. If the projects are not passed on to the parents, right? They themselves make the motors, they themselves make the running water and everything, and they can relate the theory with that, and in fraction of seconds they can pen down the answer.
Okay.
This thing is helpful in practical life for sure,
Okay.
right? Coming back to numeracy, take children for shopping. उनको शॉपिंग करवाइए,
अच्छा.
उनसे ही बिल पे करवाइए.
Okay.
बिल आएगा, दिस इज पोटैटो इज 10 रुपीज़, टोमेटो इज 20 रुपीज़, कैलकुलेट किया, माइनस हुआ, जीएसटी लगा तो क्या लगा, ऑन द स्पॉट, ऑन फील्ड प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग एज पर NAPC पॉलिसी. इट इज स्टिल
Okay.
रिलेवेंट,
Okay.
and this is going to help them for the lifetime,
Right.
right? So AI also has its own limitations as per me.
नहीं,
Child
I
will
was-
be able to crack the
Hmm.
exams, entrance exams and everything, but when it comes to interview part, is what I feel, right? Interview part you cannot give through AI or chat GPT. It has to be through your confidence, and confidence comes only if your concept is clear of your education foundation.
Okay.
So this is, I believe that everything cannot replace what original was there.
Okay. No, I agree with that. See, so it's more of, आप बोल रहे हो कि it's more of experiential learning now.
Yes,
Okay.
practical thing is very important, sir.
Yeah.
तो I never believed in bookish knowledge. ये मैंने आपको भी बहुत बार कहा है. I never go by the books,
Okay.
right? I always go by the practical approach.
Okay. So आप बोल रहे हो कि धीरे धीरे it is being reinvented.
Yeah,
System is
yeah.
being
Yes,
reinvented.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's
To
already
make
it started.
it more relevant. To,
Already it started.
Okay.
And that is why this generation is very smart.
Yeah.
This generation is very smart, sir.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
And they think 10 times faster than us.
Right.
But how to
They are
use it in a
exposed
proper
more.
way?
They are exposed more, right?
Exposed more.
Yes.
But we need to show them, we need to guide them in a right way.
Right. So let's talk about your school, Discovery Land. Okay.
Yeah.
So I came to you 1.5 years back, right?
Correct.
And of course I had some picture in my mind of some XYZ school कि मैं वो लेकर आया था, फिर मैं आपसे मिला, and I found it to be somewhere on those lines, and that is why we got
I
associated.
remember our first meeting,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, of course. Yeah. So I got swayed. So the first thing that I told my wife when I left the campus was either she's a very good marketer and I've been duped, or she's a good educationist. I hope she's the other one. So I am very thankful that you have turned out with a
I'm
very
the
good
second one.
education. Yeah, the second one, not the first one. Now, so
Sir, a
Discovery
person
Land.
can do marketing only if the person is clear about what the person is going to do, right?
Very true, very true. Yeah. So how is Discovery Land as a school, okay, different or better or equal to in terms of like all the other XYZ schools out there? I believe I have 8 branches now, right?
Yes,
So
we have 8 branches and we are
yeah,
coming up with 3 more,
yes, but
right?
you're only
Till senior KG.
till senior
That is
KG,
Balvatika now.
Balvatika now,
Yes, yes.
not ahead.
As of now, not, but
Right.
yes, you
There
never
are
know.
plans.
Yeah, there are plans.
Yeah,
There are
so
plans.
I have enjoyed the sports day that you guys have conducted. I have enjoyed the annual school function that you guys
Correct.
have conducted. My
Correct.
daughter has loved it very much. So if I have to ask you, just a simple plain question, how is Discovery Land good, bad, better than all the other schools out there?
Discoveryland is definitely different, sir.
Okay.
It's not because I'm working over there.
Mm-hmm.
What I've experienced over there as a mentor, as an educator, as an employee, whatever you could name it, I'm all three over there.
Right.
Discoveryland believes not only in child's comfortness, but we also look for parents' comfortness.
Right.
I always believe that in future, in coming years, a lot of pressure is going to come on parents when we talk about the main school. Okay. So, whatever 5 years or 3 years you are with us,
Right.
why not give you a beautiful memory where there is no pressure, no torture of submitting anything to us?
Right.
If you know, we are not rigid also. If a child is late, we never say that, sir, you are
Yeah.
late, please go
Yeah.
home.
Yeah.
We never do that, right? Instead of talking to parent, we talk to the child.
Yeah.
We touch the child's
You personally
psychology.
welcome each and every child.
We personally
at their
welcome
gate.
each and every
Yes.
child with good
I love that. I
morning.
love that. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
and this is our USP. This is
Right.
our USP. Personal touch is very important.
Right.
And when principal calls out the name of the student,
Yes.
not only it brings smile on the child, it brings smile on the parent also.
Right.
So we are very happy that we made the day of parent also.
Right.
And parent lives with great satisfaction and they can focus on their work in the office.
Right.
They don't have any stress or tension that वो रो रही थी, वो रो रहा था जब इन्होंने लिया, तो how she would be. No, we are pretty confident that what we are doing it, and that is why whenever parent come for the inquiry, we deliver only those things which we actually execute it, right? So
Okay.
knowing the names, calling the child by the name is very, very important. This gives a personal touch to the child. Child feels safe.
Right.
During our time, principal was principal in whose cabin you cannot enter.
Yeah.
You don't dare to enter, right?
Yeah.
Our principals are very different, sir. Our principals are friendly.
हाँ हाँ.
Our
आप तो हमको
principals.
उस पे ही मिल जाते थे ना, मतलब गेट पे ही
हाँ,
मिल जाते
हम गेट
हो.
पे मिल जाए. We
गेट
used
पे
to
मिल
never say
जाते
कि
हैं.
सर अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आइए. हम
Yeah.
कभी ऐसा नहीं करते हैं,
Yeah.
राइट?
Right.
जो चीज अभी बात करके खत्म हो सकती है उसको क्यों 24 घंटे टालना है?
सही बात है.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
एंड इतना भी कोई बिजी नहीं होता है कि नहीं सर आप कल आएगा, कल बात करेंगे, क्योंकि आपके इश्यूज भी इतने बड़े नहीं होते हैं.
Right.
इट इज
Very
जस्ट
true.
वन सिंगल क्वेश्चन एंड इन विच टू
लेकिन अगर आप
वर्ड्स.
मना करोगे और मिलने नहीं दोगे तो फिर वो धीरे धीरे बड़े हो जाते हो ओवरथिंक करके. Yeah.
हाँ, so it is good to escalate the issue then and there only.
Yeah.
And as I said that we are very flexible. Rules इतने rigid भी नहीं बनाए जाते, किसी स्कूल को बनाने भी नहीं चाहिए. Rigidity ही इशू क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट कर देती है.
Right.
बिकॉज रूल्स आर मेड बाय द स्कूल्स, इट कैन बी चेंज्ड बाय द स्कूल,
Alright.
राइट?
Very true.
वो कोई लिख के नहीं आया है कि पत्थर की लकीर है कि आप नहीं चेंज कर सकते. और रूल्स में क्या होता है? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. मैम आज हॉस्पिटल जाना है, आधे घंटे के लिए मैं जल्दी ले जा सकता हूँ. व्हाट्स अ बिग डील?
Right.
They are going to hospital, that is priority,
Right.
right? And if the child misses for half an hour, it's not an Oxford University के कुछ बहुत भारी कम सिलेबस
But
मिस
ऐसा
कर
feel
दिया
तो
है.
कराया जाता है, right?
फील इसलिए कराया जाता है कि it should not be a habit also.
Right.
Because this habit somewhere child registers.
Right.
It's not for the parents, it's for the child.
Right.
As I said, children are very smart. They understand
Child
कि
is also like सब चलता है.
हाँ सब चलता है, right? So वो सब
Yeah.
चलता है, नहीं चलना चाहिए.
Okay.
We are always there to help parents, but again, discipline begins from home.
Alright.
So ये होना ही चाहिए.
Right.
Secondly, we are different. We create environment where child feels home away from home,
Mm-hmm.
which as a parent you have already experienced it.
Yeah.
We want to create a safe environment.
Hmm.
Maybe you can say that so many branches we are opening up.
Hmm.
Maybe we are opening up second neighborhood for a child
Right.
where they're getting
That's a big
protected.
thing. Yeah.
Yes. So more protected childhood we are creating, sir.
Right.
I will not say we are creating centers. We are creating more protected
Right.
childhood, right?
Right.
Where they can blossom,
Hmm.
where they can be groomed the way they want.
Right.
But approach will be ours.
True. Okay.
We step in their shoes.
Right.
We don't ask them to step in our shoes. And
Okay.
results you might get after 6 months, you might get after 1 year,
Hmm.
but you will get the results.
Okay.
And we strongly believe in that.
Okay. So though we are running short of time now,
Yeah.
but there is one thing
Yes.
that is not related to education that we're talking, but something which is close to your heart. You are involved in a lot of social projects.
Yeah.
So can you talk for a couple of minutes, just for a couple of minutes, on the social projects that you are doing,
Okay.
and like how can anyone from outside support you or get associated with you in that way?
Yeah, this topic is very close to my heart.
Yeah.
I run an NGO in the name of Being Woman Charitable Trust.
Okay.
This I started 7 years before.
Mm-hmm.
हमने कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ था जैन में और हमने सितंबर में ये लॉन्च किया था
Okay.
on 14th of September.
Okay.
And this is the 8th year.
Mhm.
हमने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया. वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड फॉर द सेक ऑफ स्टार्टिंग कि चलो कुछ काम करना है. हमने देखा कि आई एम डूइंग सोशल वर्क एज एन इंडिविजुअल, माई फ्रेंड इज डूइंग सोशल वर्क एज एन इंडिविजुअल. तो वी थॉट कि सिंगल करने की जगह भी ग्रुप बना लेते हैं तो हम बहुत लोगों को हेल्प कर पाएंगे.
Mhm.
सो ऐसे मैंने एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी. इसमें इन दैट 32 ladies came. I gave presentation, what our goals I just discussed with them. और उसी दिन out of 32, 28 members बन गए.
Wow.
Yes, 28 members were there. Again, I am saying, we just formed a group. कोई हमें लोड लाइफ में लेना नहीं था बिकॉज ऑलरेडी सब सर्विस क्लास वाले थे, जॉब तो ऑलरेडी था.
Hmm.
देन केम कोविड सर.
Hmm.
उससे पहले हमने ब्लैंकेट ड्राइव कर लिया, हमने फूड ड्राइव कर लिया.
Hmm.
वी वेंट इन स्लम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम.
Okay.
स्लम दूर से देखे थे, अंदर कभी एंट्री नहीं ली थी.
Okay.
अंदर जाने के बाद वी फेल्ट दैट दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. Right? We saw their condition. We saw the way they were running to take the food. We saw
Oh.
the condition of children.
Okay.
And it was very pitiable situation.
Hmm.
Now, again, I'm telling you, if you want to run an NGO, you have to be tough and you have to be soft as well.
Okay.
Right?
Well said.
COVID started. We wanted to help people. We wanted to give food to them. But what happened? Government ने एक रूल बना दिया कि जिसके पास NGO रजिस्टर्ड है
Hmm.
उनको ही ID कार्ड दिया जाएगा. And those people only can go on the streets and give food.
अच्छा.
We were not registered. Yes.
ऐसे भी रूल्स है.
यस, ऐसे भी रूल थे सर वहाँ पे कोविड के टाइम पे.
Wow.
सो तब हमें बहुत फील हुआ कि वी वांट टू हेल्प. तो जो रजिस्टर्ड ट्रस्ट थे हमने उनके साथ टाइप कर लिया और हम लोग ने घर पे 50-50 पराठे बना के हमने उनको दे दिए कि आप दे दो हमारे नाम पे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप आपके नाम पे भी दे देना. बॉटम लाइन, फूड शुड रीच टू द पीपल,
Right.
स्पेशली द लेबरर्स,
Right.
स्पेशली जो बाहर से आए थे, जो वापस अपने घर नहीं जा सकते थे. वी गिव फूड टू देम.
Right.
So that moment we decided that we want to go for registration.
Okay.
Then we did registration.
Okay.
We have ATG, we have everything. Everything is now on paper through government rules only.
Hmm.
After that, we came in full-fledged activities. Right now, sir, I'm running 13 projects,
Okay.
in which one is old age home.
Hmm.
We visit them, we talk to them. What they want only your time.
Okay.
Sit, listen to them. They don't have listeners. Listen to
said.
them.
Right.
Every project holds different emotions, different feelings. Whenever we go there, my 90% team cries over there.
Oh.
So I always tell them, we are there to wipe their tears, not to show our tears.
Right.
After that, we come out, we just figure it out कि हम कैसे help करें इन्हें.
Hmm.
We give them food, we give them whatever things they want. We do their medical checkup, we give them medicines. We are having right now 78 members in my group. But I am having more than 800 supporters and volunteers with me.
Right.
Throughout Gujarat, I'm talking, not only Ahmedabad. We have doctors panel, we have advocate panel.
Wow.
If anybody is having any difficulties, if somebody is a victim, we channelize them route through our advocate. They guide them. If anybody is having medical emergencies, we are having tie-ups with different hospitals.
Okay.
We give them free medication.
Mhm.
If they are having some major surgery, we help them out in that also.
Hmm.
Now, the main project which is very close to my heart is education again.
Okay.
We call it as Kalp Vruksh.
Okay.
This we started in the slum areas. We visited the slum areas. We saw that there are many children who want to study, but due to some of the other reasons they are not able to study. And girls तो पढ़ाई करते ही नहीं है क्योंकि parents करने ही नहीं देते. Why? Because 8-year child, 9-year girl, she is cooking food क्योंकि
Oh.
मम्मी बर्तन मांजने गई है किसी के घर. And father, they are least bothered, they are into bad habits, they are into drinking and ऐसे street पे पड़े हुए हैं. So we started Kalpvruksha. We started with 82 students in
Okay.
slum area. Age group 2 years to 12 years, 14 years. When we interacted for the first time, we saw कि everybody is on the same page. किसी को कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है. उसमें से 80% were going in government school.
Okay.
They were blank. So I designed my own curriculum. I made the entire group of educators, professors, they all joined me. हमने
Okay.
टर्न्स बना लिए सर उनको
Okay.
पढ़ाने के. So Saturday Sunday we used to go for 3 hours.
Okay.
मैंने अपने खुद की बुक प्रिंट करवाई है कल्पवृक्ष के नाम की, हिंदी,
अच्छा.
इंग्लिश, गुजराती.
अच्छा.
Yes. And the most important was teaching them life skills.
Okay.
I'm having entire panel of beauticians. हमने पहले जाके पूरा उनका मेकओवर चेंज ओवर किया है.
Wow.
We actually washed their hairs.
That's something different.
We gave them
Yeah.
clothes. It's a beautiful journey. फिर कभी टाइम होगा मैं I'll share the details with you.
Definitely. Yeah.
So this is, and we ensured that they are enrolled in good schools.
Okay.
And we have given them, we are nobody to give the admissions. Schools have supported us to give them admissions.
Really?
Yes,
These
sir.
business hungry schools.
No, there are few, sir. Exceptions are always there, right?
Yeah.
And there are few people who are middle class, but just because of society pressure, they are not able to come up and tell कि we can't afford the fees of the child.
Right.
But कहीं से भी हमें नाम मिल जाते थे, and they used to always tell कि मैम हमारा नाम आप declare मत करना. So we used to never declare, and हम लोग directly उनकी fees स्कूल की उनके स्कूल अकाउंट में हम लोग ट्रांसफर कर
The
देते थे.
social stigma, I imagine,
Yes.
this country.
Yes, and the last year we came up with mass marriage, what we call
Yeah, that-
समूह
yeah,
लगन,
yeah.
what we call समूह लगन. 11 लड़कियों की शादी करवाई है हमने लास्ट ईयर.
Okay.
हमारे सेविंग्स जो भी हमारे थे, जितने हमारे सपोर्टर्स थे, सब ने मिलकर. Out of 11 couples, there 4 couples were handicapped.
Oh.
They were dragging on the ground. हमने बच्चियों को उठा के हम लोग मंडप में ले गए हैं. एंड समूह लगन इफ यू सी इन जनरल, वो लोग शादी सुबह करवा देते, दैट्स इट, हो गया, राइट. एंड फूड ऑल्सो यू कैन सी इट्स पूरी आलू की सब्जी, दैट फुलवड़ी एंड मोहन थाल. दिस इज फिक्स्ड इन एवरी समूह लगन. व्हाई आई कैन टेल यू, बिकॉज हमने 10 समूह लगन अटेंड किए बिफोर वी वांटेड टू डू आवर्स.
Oh.
हमने रेकी की थी. we wanted to see exactly कैसे होता है, because
अच्छा.
we all are women oriented, right. हमें तो पता ही नहीं था कि हम कैसे करेंगे, बट हमें इतना पता था कि हो जाएगा. God is always there with us. हो जाएगा. हमने हर जगह सर्वे किया, हर जगह यही फूड था, और हर जगह 11 पार्टीशन करके शादियां करवाते थे. दैट्स इट, डन. We came up with our own समूह लगन with lot many volunteer supporters. हम बेटियों की मेहंदी रस्म भी करते हैं, अलग होता है इवेंट. बेटियों की शादी करवाते हैं, हम ढोली बुलवाते हैं, नासिक ढोल बजता है, हम उनके साथ डांस करते हैं. हम हर एक जो ग्रूम होते हैं उनको हम शेरवानी देते हैं, बेटियों को हम लोग चनिया चोली देते हैं. वी गिव 11 pair of sarees, 11 pair of dresses, entire kitchen material. So this is how it came to 101 items.
Wow.
Everything. Now recently we are having our second Samooh Lagan part 2 on 28th of June.
Nice.
So this is how, as I said, this is an ocean, sir. Social service is an ocean. आप जितना अंदर जाओगे आप जाते ही जाओगे.
Okay.
And this is endless. बस we are doing it selflessly, and God is with us. Supporters are joining us, and we are blessed to continue our journey more and more, and maybe we will give our legacy to our children.
Awesome, ma'am. Very nice to know.
Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
ma'am. Thank you so much for coming to our
It's
first
my pleasure.
show. It has been
I'm
amazing.
actually privileged to come on the first show.
It has been actually amazing to speak to you.
Same, yeah.
Came to know a lot many things. Right?
Yes.
And I'm sure we would request you to join us once more in the days to come.
Sure.
So we have started this, and there is going to be an education series of which you are the first part. So we are calling in more guests,
All
and
right.
probably then we can have a group discussion,
Yeah, that will be
because
great.
today we talked about only primary education.
Correct.
We are going to touch on the higher education levels as well.
And I think in group discussion, we should say one should keep their views how education system should change.
Absolutely,
That's
ma'am.
important.
All right, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for coming.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.